Alright, I bet you all remember about the channel Nick Jr. show before, but I'm gonna tell you this right now. Do you remember Nick Jr. face from 1994 to 2003? Well, here's the video of the clip that you remember him.
Hi there, it's me, Face. Welcome back to Nick Jr.
So that's the guy with the picture right there. His name is Face. But later in 2003, he left the show. So right now, we're gonna have to pick his challenge to see who we're gonna replace by Face from Nick Jr. So hold on, wait a second. Hold on. Let's see. Alright, there we go now. So it looks like we have two of these pictures right here. We have Cleveland Brown from the members of the Family Guy and the Cleveland Show TV show. And we have Aubrey Miller as Kiki Jr. from the members of the Junior Beat Season 3.
Hey y'all, it's the Cleveland Show.
Hi, Freshies. How's your day?
Good. That is very smart, Broby.
So either you will pick one of these hosts of the Nick Jr. shows, it will be the Nick Jr. show's characters for real life. So tell me, who's gonna be the Nick Jr. host for this year? Is it Cleveland Brown from Family Guy in the Cleveland Show?
Oh, come on, man. You didn't ask anyone else to do that. Why am I on trial? He's the one that mushed himself on a child.
Or is it Aubrey Miller as Kiki Jr. from the Season 3 of the Fresh Beat Band?
What are you going to do? You're not going to let them tear down the park, right? The whole town's rooting for us.
I don't know.
Let's help them.
Where's the drum roll?
Oh, I got you, Fiery. Questlove, show the drum roll. What's it gonna be? I wonder who it is. Let's see who can find out. I think it's gonna be... It's Cleveland Brown from Family Guy in the Cleveland Show.
Heck yeah!
Hey! You guys can't just leave me here in a cemetery shack!
Whoa! What? Are you fucking high? Why? No!
Okay, enough. Everybody calm down. I'll pick someone else, alright? Let's just show the drum roll. Ready? Alright, I think it's Kiki Jr. as Aubrey Miller.
Really?
Yeah, really.
What?
Thank you, that's awesome.
Lynn Quagmire, you're dead. I'm gonna kill Quagmire.
Sorry, Cleveland Brown. Better luck next time.
I can't wait to get out there with my stick and streamer. Oh, wow. Was okay. Bye.
No! It's too soon! Why, God? Why?
Oh, poor Cleveland Brown. He looks like he's sad. Well, Aubrey Miller as Kiki Jr. is the new member of the Nick Jr. host. And now stay tuned for more of your friends on Nick Jr.